While India and US are in discussions regarding the potential purchase of 18 Predator-armed drones worth $1.8 billion, Russia is actively promoting its Orion long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle to India. This promotion comes after a Russian Su-27 fighter jet shot down an MQ-9 drone during sharp maneuvering, raising concerns about its vulnerability to interception. The OrionE UAV has a range of 1,440 kilometers, payload capacity of 250 kilograms and endurance of 24 hours. It is equipped with advanced avionics and precision munitions, and offers exceptional capabilities for tracking and engaging enemy aircraft, UAVs, helicopters, and even ground targets with anti-tank missiles. The upcoming Netra MK2 airborne early warning and control system based on the Airbus A321 platform will see the integration of a new and improved ASA-based primary radar, and latest reports indicate that apart from offering an extended range for airborne threats, this upgraded radar will possess enhanced capabilities to track ballistic missiles, and it will directly relay the crucial information to the ballistic missile defense system that will result in better projectile tracking and calculations. Amid the halted negotiations between India and Russia for the acquisition of 10 Camov-31 helicopters worth $520 million, the Indian Navy has started looking at Merlin HM-2 helicopter as an alternative that is equipped with the Crowsnest airborne early warning and control capability. The Merlin HM-2 has emerged as the sole alternative to the Camov-31 helicopters in its class for INS Vikrant, as it uses a high-power radar to provide long-range air, maritime and land tracking capabilities that will ensure early detection of potential threats and vital surveillance for the entire fleet. Under a contract signed for 11 ammunition-cum-torpedo-cum-missile barge, Surya Dip Projects Private Limited has delivered the first barge of the series to Indian Navy that will facilitate transportation, embarkation and disembarkation of ammunition to Indian Navy warships. The barge has a service life of 30 years, and all major auxiliary equipment have been sourced from Indian manufacturers. India has issued a NOTAM warning for a launch of a missile in the Bay of Bengal for the period from 21st to 22nd of June 2023, and the designated area for the NOTAM is 750 kilometers in length, and it could be the third test of the Smart Supersonic Missile-Assisted Torpedo System. The Smart will not be limited to truck-based coastal batteries, as the Navy plans to arm them on frontline warships. After the Navy's flawless execution of 2 carrier battle group operations off the coast of Goa, media reports indicate that the INS Vikrant is on its way to Cochin shipyard for a guarantee refit, and will be ready for long-endurance operations by the end of 2023. The INS Vikramaditya carrier is fully operational following a massive upgrade last year and will start charting seas this year. The Indian Army has signed a second procurement contract for tactical land radio with Astromtech Private Limited, Bangalore. It is a state-of-the-art high-bandwidth backhaul wireless radio equipment for provisioning of reliable and fail-safe communication, and features embedded frequency hopping mechanism to preclude chances of interception and long-range point-to-multipoint high-bandwidth communication. The Pakistan government has proposed a 16% increase in the defense budget, and all 3 services, Army, Navy, Air Force, were given an equal increase in the budget.
यहाँ मैं आटा लेने आया था, बहुत बड़ी परेशानी हो रही है, हुकूमत ने बहुत महंगा आटा करा हुआ, तो इसलिए लोग आवाम परेशान हो रही है.
The Pakistan Air Force is also gearing up to procure HQ-9B air defense system, after the Pakistan Army recently inducted the same system from China. The HQ-9B has an increased engagement range of 200 kilometers and employs a dual-mode seeker to improve electronic countermeasures resistance.